everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's experiment, we are doing dancing raisins. How exciting, right? Let's begin. The materials that we're going to be using are sparkling water, raisins, and cups. Why are we doing this experiment? It's because we're learning about chemical reaction. Let's begin. First, you're going to pour your sparkling water inside the cup. Halfway. Then you're going to open up your raisins. And you have to make sure your raisins are spread apart. And slowly drop your raisins inside of the water. And we're going to sit and watch what the raisin does. Carbon dioxide bubbles get caught in the raisins, wrinkles, and make them float. Look at them dancing. Whoa! Go raisins, go! I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.